Hello, welcome to Ziba. We are happy to introduce you to a new range of our multi-purpose shoe bags. The bags work as great organizers, protecting your shoes from wrinkling, dust, and weather change. The size is 13 by 10 inches and these printed bags are sold in a set of 3. You can get these bags customized in different sizes and designs according to your requirement and choice. This organizer is perfectly designed not only for storing shoes but also toiletries and various other essentials. Our multi-purpose shoe bags are a great find to separate, protect and organize.